Hey Dals, welcome back to another video. It's me, girl, Briana Marie, and I'm back with another wig tutorial. So today's wigs, on this wig, I think I melted this good, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Let me know if y'all think I melted it good or not. Okay, I think I did. I'm still learning. A look will be up on this, but not in this video. It will be separate from this. I just want y'all to see how I melt this wig, y'all. This wig, I think it's called, I don't want to get their name wrong, so that's why I'm not saying it. I will leave their name on the screen so that y'all can see. This look is so pretty. I love the headband, everything that goes with this. Like, this is giving me vibes. This is it. I don't want to keep y'all on an intro. Don't forget to go check out them in the description bar below and tell them that Briana Marie sent you. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Anyways, I had to put a cap over here. I always have to put a cap over here because there's glue on this dome cap. So I did buy another size 22 dome cap because this is like messed up. This wig is featuring so I don't know, I think the A is supposed to be silent. I just want to get into this wig. So this is the box, basic but sleek box. Came in this thing with a natural wig cap to it, the perfect color, because I be trying to put foundation on my wig caps before I apply the wig. And on top of that, they hooked your girl up with a whole bunch of conditioner. So yeah, that's gonna come in handy when I wash this wig. I'm gonna bleach it again, but this is the wig. Look at the luster before I wash it. Look at the luster, y'all. This is the luster, and I want to give y'all the specs on this wig. Let me show y'all the cap. This is the cap. This is how the wig constructed. They did send a elastic band, but you could also customize the straps in the back like this. I probably won't. This is a side part wig. So the hairstyle is a silky straight, and the texture is silky straight. It's a 20-inch, and the cap size is size 1, and it's a circumference of a 21.5 through a 22 cap size, which is, this is the dome 22 cap size right here. This is the lace. This is transparent lace, but I wish the lace was a little bit thinner, so therefore it can melt to my skin. Y'all know I'm still kind of struggling with the melting that lace into my skin. Fits perfect. This is it. And I think they already plugged this side because it looks like it's been plugged. So that's it. You know, it's supposed to be a side part, I'm guessing. It's pretty though. It's real pretty. It really is supposed to be thicker than this, but it's fine. I love a flowy wig. Come back when it's time to plug this wig so that y'all can see how I do it. In here, and I bleached it. I haven't plugged it yet, but I'm plugging it to my likings. But I went ahead and bleached it, and this is how it came out. Oh, y'all see that? It came out. So now I'm about to pluck. This is how your lace front should be pinned down. I'm starting this side first, and then I probably will continue to pluck the other hairs off line. So right here, I did pluck a few little hairs. I don't want to go back more because right here, it's the part where they lay the tracks. Right here is like blonde hair, so I don't have to pluck that much. But like I said, pluck that much. But right here, it's blonde hair. Put a little bit of mascara in it because y'all couldn't see the other hairs with the blonde, so that's what that came in with. That's how it looks. And now I'm about to pluck the rest of it, and I'm gonna see y'all when I'm done plucking it. This is how I customized the frontal. I started off from this side on to this side. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then onto this side. To this side right here. I'm gonna import some footage so that y'all can see how I customize it. But yes, my plucking has been getting so good. A wax stick, and what I did was I basically put the wax on there so that I can hot comb. This right here is your best friend, okay? You want to make sure that frontal is flat. You don't want no humps, no bumps, no lumps, and nothing like that. Like that anyway, so you're good. The hot combs on the stoves are way better than the ones that you plug in because they get like hot. So y'all see that? Y'all see this? Y'all see? I comb the rest of this off camera and I'm gonna come back when I start curling this wig. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to flat iron this wig so that I can show y'all the silky straightness. Y'all saw me fluttering in the front, but I'm about to go hot comb the front one more time to slick this back like that. And this is it, y'all. Y'all see that, baby? And then I'm gonna put my headband right here on the back, well, like right here, so that this can show that part. And then leave it just like that. Boom. With the wig on, what I'm doing now is basically taking anything that I have on my lace or like any makeup or whatever off before I start melting this down. Okay, ball cap method is, I did okay this time. Right here I could have went down some more, but it's fine. This is the cap that I used. So this is 3 sections. This is how it came out. So I'm going to put the wig on. And yes, my part is on this side now, but I guess this is fine. And to here. so it's clear. What I'm gonna do is I am going to lay it down. All right, so we all tied down tight. I'm about to go sit in the dryer for at least 15 to 20 minutes to make sure all the glue is like really dry. I am so excited. Look at that. It melted. It melted. I'm gonna put a little glue right here. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little glue right there. Alright, so I want to see if it melted my head. This part, yeah. This part, the glue didn't really dry like that, but it's cool.